Hi, everyone. Thanks for participating and listening this session. I'll be presenting our pictorial titled Stray Animals, City Entanglements, exploring the potentials for equitable coexistence in urban Türkiye. I would like to introduce ourselves first. We are the authors of this pictorial. I am Sena Cucumak and my co-author Ozge Subasi. We are two of the 4 members of Future Co-Creation Wellbeing Research Lab, which centers equity and inclusion. We live with so many stray animals in Türkiye, and this situation inspired us to make this study. Before starting the presentation, I'd like to also explain a couple of terms that how we use them in our pictorial. Like what do we mean by saying stray animals? Stray animals defined as pets that have no shelter or that are outside the boundaries of the owner's or guardian's home or land, and that are not under the control or direct supervision of any owner or guardian. Stray animal species might include birds, cats, dogs, or hedgehogs, etc. Urban neighborhoods is used to define the city scale where we focus on this pictorial. Urban actor is used to define animate and inanimate tangible non-human components of the urban context. Equitable city making is used for recognizing the intrinsic choice of stray animals, acknowledging local knowledge, and applying the learnings to tangible interactions. In this pictorial, our aim is to gain a deeper understanding of the everyday lives of stray animals and how they navigate urban neighborhoods. This understanding is crucial for creating equitable and inclusive cities. Hence, we acknowledge the significance of broadening the understanding of meaningful communication to include both verbal and non-verbal exchanges. With this in mind, our primary focus is on exploring tangible and embodied interactions between stray animals and the urban environment. Therefore, our primary objective is to comprehend, categorize, and draw insights to inform the design of urban spaces that better accommodate the daily lives of stray animals. We believe that by understanding their needs and the physical environments they inhabit, we can uncover design potentials for creating more equitable and animal-friendly urban cities. Our study aims to contribute equitable cohabitation between humans and stray animals in urban neighborhoods by highlighting potential contributions of design and technology. We position our work within the realms of HCI, interaction design, urban informatics, and ACI. Our inspiration draws from fields and intersections such as science and technology studies and multi-species justice, as we aim to contribute to the improvements of these respective fields. We have adopted photography as our research method. Photographs serve as the main materials for our design research. To showcase the photographs we have collected, we conducted a pattern analysis. The process of analyzing these photographs has been iterative. We captured a total of 252 photographs in 2 major cities in Türkiye. In this presentation, we shared 51 exemplary photographs that we have categorized into 5 themes in the pictorial. But I will share less photographs in this presentation. The majority of our photographs capture moments where stray animals interact with various urban actors. We have chosen to add viewfinders to L-shaped frame corners to the photographs. Instead of further annotating, scaling, or cropping the images, we wanted to let the stray animals speak for themselves in their natural humility and environments. We try to take photographs, any dialogues, with a tangible object with species or humans. Therefore, these 2 questions guided our photography study. What do stray animals do in the city? How and with whom or what do they interact? First theme explores the various surfaces and materials that humans have built that stray animals come into contact with. From our observations of interactions with these materials and surfaces, we have noticed two things. First, human interactants have adjusted the environment after observing the stray animals' interactions and preferences. Second, the stray animals' preferences for materials and surfaces in the city change, especially under extreme weather conditions. Therefore, the materials and surfaces that stray animals interact with can serve as a communication medium, providing insight into their preferences and interactions. Second theme, implementations of human-made objects. Human-made objects in neighborhoods, such as shelters and containers, reflect care practices, including housing and nutrition, along with experiential structures like walkways between windows. We looked at materials, forms, design approach of shelters, types of containers, position of such objects, objects of different types of care levels. Overall, we learned the following by capturing diverse human-made objects made for stray animals. The humans put activist efforts to reflect the choices of non-humans in neighborhoods. Diverse types of non-humans benefit from the efforts. Although the institutional effort is a promising sign, its design and surface need further research to be more inclusive. Examining interactions with design actors for stray animals informs how designers can consider the rights, interests, and agency of non-human beings for meaningful participation. Stray animals engage not only with various physical elements in their environment, but also with other living beings. These interactions can occur simultaneously or asynchronously. During our observations, we discovered that certain animals interact with others of their own species, as well as with other beings sharing the same space. Understanding and communicating with stray animals deepens our comprehension of their relationships, hierarchies, and preferences. This knowledge allows us to gain insights into the dynamics of their interactions and coexistence, not only with humans, but also among themselves. Through our observations, we have discovered evidence of animal-to-animal interaction, communication, and coexistence, alongside interactions between humans and animals. By recognizing the interconnectedness of all beings and adopting a broader understanding of communication, we can foster inclusive and empathetic interactions with stray animals. This theme sheds light on the inert and functionally designed human-made spaces in urban neighborhoods that stray animals interact with. These spaces are overlooked by humans, but preferred by stray animals who assign new meanings and purposes to them. In considering the interactions between stray animals and these spaces, it becomes evident that the ergonomics and physical capacities of the animals play a significant role. This insight challenges our human-centric perspectives and encourages us to reevaluate the inclusivity and accessibility of urban spaces for all inhabitants, regardless of their size or species. It encourages us to design urban landscapes that better accommodate the diverse needs and capabilities of both human and non-human occupants. So our observations confirm the autonomy of stray animal bodies and their choices in designing more equitable and inclusive cities beyond human centrism. The last theme focuses on other non-human actors of urban life. Humans mainly control where and how non-human actors are positioned, shaped, selected, or sized in urban environments. The power dynamics between humans and nature impacts the interactions between stray animals and the city influenced by human decisions. We have come to recognize that while stray animals engage with natural elements, nature itself responds to their presence in the urban environment. Rather than framing the dialogue between nature and culture as a power struggle, humans have the opportunity to strive for and equitable and harmonious coexistence with the natural world. Observing the relationship between stray animals and nature in urban settings can inspire humans to create ecologically harmonious urban interactions. I identified themes which highlight various embodied interactions of stray animals, provide valuable context for planning inclusive cohabitation with these animals in the city. The choices and attitudes exhibited by stray animals towards materials, objects, peers, spaces, and nature reveal patterns that have yet to be fully acknowledged in previous studies focused on designing for and with stray animals. Future studies could focus on capturing these interactions from the animal's point of view. How can technology play a role in facilitating a better understanding of how animals perceive the city? Exploring diverse perspectives and decision-making processes across design, technology, and justice disciplines contributes to equitable coexistence in urban environments. Future research efforts may delve into questions like, how do these preferences and decisions inform the design process? How can we actively design with stray animals in mind? How might technology and justice discourses take charge in making the city with stray animals? Thanks for listening.